everyone. Today our video is not a little bit sad, is not as joyful as and inspirational as before. Our little snowflake got more sick today. She had an episode of vomiting. She threw up in the morning. We don't know what's going on, but I think that's the upper respiratory infection that she's experiencing, taking her down. And I'm touching her nose. It's hot and dry, and it means that either she's having fever or she's having fever and just not feeling well. She's fighting with the virus, and we believe that she's a very good fighter and she's gonna feel better. But with this video I want to send a message that if you know that your kitty or any other animals are due for vaccination, the vaccinations are important, and you need to be on schedule for that. That's what vet told us. Of course, we plan to do the vaccine at 4 months, but now we have to wait until she will get better. In the same time, I want to show her eyes, and her eye infection is getting better, so her eyes are not as swollen as used to and not as red, inflamed like before. As you see, she still has some drainage, something coming out, and also here is the build-up on top of her eye that I'm trying to clean and not able to clean very well. I just don't want to bother her when she's sleeping, because I believe that sleep helps to recover, but I will do it as soon as she will get better. We will clean her and she will be healthy again. Hopefully tomorrow we will have more happy video and notes, but today that's it. Thank you. Bye.